Good day, everyone. So today we are going to present to you our game development, the 60% development of our project. Before we proceed, our title is Jeepney Dash, and we will give you a brief background about our game.
Progress.
So for our player character, it's an AI generated. uh, It's a jeepney inspired by Filipino vehicle that serves as an essential tool for weaving through traffic and dodging obstacle while racing to collect as many coins as possible. And this our obstacle, the barrier, pit or manhole, cone, moving truck, and for our collecting coins, so it is an animated sprite. And for our level map, so for map 1, it is inspired with Filipino province. For map 2, it is a local area with the San Luzon. And lastly is a night in Manila. So let's proceed to our game. So on Godot, we created a three folder. So on folder, we have an asset, scene, and also the script. So sa asset, nandito po yung lahat po ng mga pictures, lahat po ng kakailanganin po natin sa atin pong game. So for the scene, dito naman po yung bawat scene po, which is the levels, the main menu, the next level, the score, the player, and also the coin, and also the game over scene. So for our script, dito po tayo nagko-code na kung saan dito po natin binibigyan ng buhay yung bawat elements po na meron tayo sa ating scene. So for our level 1, this will be our scene 3. We have a tile map, obstacle, and also a score. So let's try to run our project. So for level 1, as you can see, we will be uh, heading into the main menu. You have the start, setting, and exit. Sa start, the game will automatically start. And settings, hindi ko pa po siya nalalagyan. And then, but the exit is also functionable. So let's try to run our project. So this will be our game, Jeepney Dash. On level 1, hindi pa po masyadong mahirap yung mga obstacle. And as you can see on the right side of our screen, meron po tayong scoreboard na kung saan is naka-indicate po yung lahat ng nakolekta nating points. And as we go through sa atin pong game, we will collect as much as possible na maraming coins. And for our finish line, we will go to the next level and our score will continue. But the speed of the jeepney is medyo mabilis na po siya compare sa lahat one. And once you died on the game, we have a game over screen na merong two buttons, which is the retry and home. When you retry, you will go back to the level that you died. No? And when you click the home, you will go home. Okay. So for our level 3, wait, on level 2, Kung makikita nyo, we have a medyo dark na background na kung saan um, we put a flashlight, no, of the jeep to see the road, no, yung mga obstacle natin sa road. And also, we have a moving obstacle on level 2. Aside from increasing the speed of the jeepney, we try to move, no, yung atin pong obstacle. And lastly, for our level 3 scene, let's try to run it. As you can see, mas madilim na po siya. Okay. For our level 3, kung makikita nyo po, is completely dark na po yung ating paligid, and the speed of our jeepney is sobrang bilis na po. So this is the hard level of our game. And during our game, like for example, you want to pause or you want to restart a game, we have an escape button. Just simply click escape on your keyboard and the pause menu will pop up. So we have a resume, restart, and menu. So on our resume, the game will resume and the score will continue. Next, if we click the restart, the game will restart. And when we click the main menu, we'll go back to our main menu. So that will be our 60% development of our game. So what our plan is to add a leaderboard, no, for all the players na gustong maglaro, no, para makita nila kung gaano na karaming coins yung kaya nilang i-obtain, no, sa game po natin, no. But as of now, we only created a level 1 scene, level 2 scene, level 3, and also we created menu, we created pause menu, and we created a player. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. I hope that you are impressed by our game, sir. Thank you.